Hi dear students, good morning. How are you? Are you fine? I hope all are going well. Welcome students to our maths class. Students, what all things we studied in last class? You just say, multiply, least common multiples and factors. Today, we are going to learn about our new topic, test of divisibility of numbers and highest common factor. Okay, are you ready for the class? Okay, all of you take your text page number 133 and also your note and rough. Okay, test of divisibility of numbers. Today's topic is test of divisibility of numbers. Test of divisibility of numbers. Okay, dear students, all of you stand up, sit down. Okay, all of you listen here. All of you listen here. Okay. First one, by 2. Listen here. This is our new topic. Okay. By 2. When a given number has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place, it is said to be divisible by 2. 2 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയ ഒരു നമ്പർ ആണോ എന്ന് നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? എങ്ങനെ ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് ചെയ്യും? ഹൗ ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട്? ഓക്കെ, when a given number has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place, it is said to be divisible by 2. For example, okay, take a rough, write by 2. Note your note, take a rough only, right, by 2. Okay, for example, 248 and 248, 196, 4530, 800, 900 and 892 and 92. Okay, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the ones place. It is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. Ones in the place 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. ഈ നമ്പേഴ്സ് വരികയാണെങ്കിൽ ആ നമ്പറിനെ നമുക്ക് ഈസി ആയിട്ട് 2 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, ഹിയർ വൺസ് പ്ലേസ് 8 is in the ones place, 6 is in the ones place, 0 is in the ones place and 2 is in the ones place. Okay, 8, 6, 0, 2. ഈ നമ്പേഴ്സ് എല്ലാം വൺസിൻ്റെ പ്ലേസിൽ വന്നു. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് ഈസി ആയിട്ട് ഈ നമ്പേഴ്സിനെ 248 ആൻഡ് 296, 4530, 8902 ഈ നമ്പേഴ്സിനെയൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് ഈസി ആയിട്ട് 2 വെച്ച് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ഓക്കെ, then second one is by 3. By 3. When the sum of the digit of the given numbers is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. When the sum of the digit of a given number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. One example for you. For example, 6000. Do you write it? Okay. Then listen. All of you listen here. It is very important topic. By 3. Okay. 6582. 6582. Here. Okay, what is divisible by 3? Okay. By 3 ആണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്കൊരു നമ്പർ തന്നു. ഈ നമ്പറിനെ എല്ലാ ഡിജിറ്റും കൂടി നമ്മൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്യാം. എല്ലാ ഡിജിറ്റും ആഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന ആൻസറിനെ നമുക്ക് 3 വെച്ച് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുവാണെങ്കിൽ ആ നമ്പറിനെ നമുക്ക് 3 വെച്ചിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാം ഈസി ആയിട്ട്. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ 6 പ്ലസ് 5 പ്ലസ് 8 പ്ലസ് 2. Answer is 21. Answer is 21. Okay. It is divisible by 3. 21 നമുക്ക് 3 വെച്ചിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ഓക്കെ സോറി 21 നമുക്ക് ഈസി ആയിട്ട് 3 വെച്ച് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ദാറ്റ്സ് വോ 6582 is divisible by 3. 6582 is divisible by 3. What is by 3? When the sum of the digit in the given numbers is divisible by 3, then this number is divisible by 3. തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന നമ്പറിൻ്റെ സം ടോട്ടൽ 3 വെച്ചിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയതാണോ എങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ആ ഒരു നമ്പറിനെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ 6582ൻ്റെ ടോട്ടൽ കണ്ടെത്തി നമ്മൾ അല്ലേ. വി ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് ദി ടോട്ടൽ 21. Then 21 is divisible by 3. It is easily divisible by 3. Okay. Then next number is, listen, this is an example and another example 7904. Okay, it is divisible by 3, you know. Okay, we add these digits 7 plus 9 plus 0 plus 4. 7 plus 9 plus 0 plus 4. We get the answer 20. Okay, it is divisible by 3. 3 വെച്ചിട്ട് നമുക്ക് ഇതിനെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ? 3 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 3യുടെ ടേബിളിലുണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല. ഓക്കെ ജസ്റ്റ് ലിസൺ ഹിയർ. 20 divided by 3. How many times in 3 in 20? How many times? 6. 18. 2. Remainder is 2. Remainder 0 വരണം. Remainder 0 വന്നെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് ഇതിനെ ഈസി ആയിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് ഡിവിസിബിൾ ബൈ 3. 20നെ നമുക്ക് 3 വെച്ചിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല ഈസി ആയിട്ട്. ഓക്കെ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് divisible by 3. Okay, then did you understand this? Okay, write it. X by 3 6582. 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 2. We get the answer 21. 21 is easily divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3. Then next number is 7904. 7904. 7 plus 9 plus 0 plus 4. We get the answer 20. 20 is not divisible by 3. 20 is not divisible by 3. Did you understand? Okay. Then next one. Did you finish? Okay, next one. By 6. Right? By 6. When a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, it will be divisible by 3. 2 കൊണ്ടും 2 and 3 നമ്പേഴ്സ് വെച്ചിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും ഡിവിസിബിൾ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നതാണെങ്കിൽ, ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നതാണെങ്കിൽ ആ നമ്പറിനെ ഈസി ആയിട്ട് 6 കൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, one example for you. Example 6594. 6594. 6594. It is divisible by 6. It is divisible by 6. Oh, okay. We check. Last digit is 4. Last digit is 4. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. In last digit 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. It is divisible by 2. In this number, last digit is 4. Last digit is 4. Therefore, this number is divisible by 2. Okay, then check. It is divisible by 3, 6 plus 5 plus 9 plus 4. 6 plus 5 plus 9 plus 4. We get the answer 24. We get the answer 24. 24 is divisible by 3. 24 is divisible by 3. Yes, 24 is divisible by 3. 24 divided by 3. How many times? 8 times. 8 3s are 24. Remainder is 0. Okay. It is easily divisible by 3. Okay. It is divisible by 3 also. Okay. Therefore 6594 is divisible by 6. Therefore, 6594 is divisible by 6. Okay. We'll explain one more time. Okay. 6594 is divisible by 6. Divisible by 6. When a number is divisible by both 2 and 3. When a number is divisible by both 2 and 3. 2 കൊണ്ടും 3 കൊണ്ടും ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയ നമ്പേഴ്സിനെയാണ് നമുക്ക് 6 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുക. ഓക്കെ. ഹിയർ നമ്പർ ഈസ് 6594. Number is 6594. Here last digit is 4. It is easily divisible by 2. Then we add this digit 6594. 6 plus 5 plus 9 plus 4. We get the answer 24. 24 is easily divisible by 3. Therefore 6 is divisible by 6594. 6594 is divisible by 6. Okay. Okay. Next one is 5. By 5. Write by 5. Okay. When the ones place of number has either or 5, the number is divisible by 5. When the ones place of a number has either 6 or 5, വൺസിൻ്റെ പ്ലേസിലുള്ള ഡിജിറ്റ് ഒന്നെങ്കിൽ 0യോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 5 ആവണം. 0 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 5 ആവണം. ഓക്കെ, എങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ 5 കൊണ്ട് ഈസി ആയിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ, one example for you. For example, 485, 1050, 3290. This numbers is divisible by 2 because in ones place here 5, 0 is in the ones place and 0 is in the ones place. In ones place 0 or 5. 0 or 5. Okay. Then write it. Next one 10 by 5, 485, 1050, 3290. It is these numbers are divisible by 5, right? Then next number is by 10. Okay, write by 10. What is by 10? When the ones place of the numbers has 0, the number is divisible by 10. In ones place 0. Okay. We want to 0. Okay, for example 400, 920, 1000. It is divisible by 10 because in ones place here 0 and here 0 and 0. Ones by 10 ആണെങ്കിൽ വൺസിൻ്റെ പ്ലേസിൽ 0 വരണം എങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ ആ നമ്പറിനെ ഈസി ആയിട്ട് 10 വെച്ചിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഈസിലി divisible by 10. Okay. Can you follow me? Okay, then next one. Right? Okay, next one is by 4. By 4. By 4. If the number formed by the digit in the tens and ones place is divisible by 4, the number is divisible by 4. Okay, one example for you. Listen here. 1072. By 2. If the number formed by the digit in the tens and ones place is divisible by 4, the number is divisible by 4. Here number is 1072. വൺസിൻ്റെയും ടെൻസിൻ്റെയും പ്ലേസിൽ വരുന്ന what is okay, next one is by 4. By 4. Okay. By 4. If the number formed by the digit in the tens and ones place is divisible by 4, the number is divisible by 4. For example, 1072, the number formed by the ones and tens digit is 72, which is divisible by 4. Thus, 1072 is divisible by 4. Okay, listen here. What is by 4? If the number formed by the digit in the ones and tens place is divisible by 4. Here, example 1072. 1072. Okay, last 2-digit number, that is ones and tens place digit. വൺസിൻ്റെയും ടെൻസിൻ്റെയും പ്ലേസിലുള്ള ഡിജിറ്റിനെ 4 വെച്ചിട്ട് ഈസി ആയിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ആ നമ്പറിന് തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന നമ്പറിനെ ഈസി ആയിട്ട് 4 വെച്ച് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ ഹിയർ 1072 is the number. We take 72 divided by 4. 72 divided by 4. Okay. How many times? One time. 1 into 4, 4. Then subtract. 7 minus 4, 3. 32. How many times? 8 times. Okay. Remainder is 0. It is divisible by 4. Okay. It is divisible by 4 because and last two numbers are 7 and 2. 7 and 2. 72 is easily divisible by 4. That is the 1072 is divisible by 4. Okay. Therefore 1072 is divisible by 4. Okay. Write it. Did you finished? Okay. Then next one is by 8. By 8. Listen here. In by 8, if the number formed by the last 3-digit number of a number, that is, the number formed by the digit at the hundreds, tens and ones place, is divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. Okay. For example, 10,728. Example, 10,728. 7,728. 10,728 is the number. Okay. By 8, last 3-digit numbers, that is ones, tens and hundreds place. These last 3-digit numbers are divisible by 8. It is divisible by this number. Okay. Easily divisible by this number. Okay. Here 728 is the last 3-digit number. By 8 ൽ പറയുന്നത് നമുക്ക് ഏതൊരു നമ്പർ തന്നാലും ആ ഒരു വലിയ നമ്പർ തന്നാലും അതിൻ്റെ ലാസ്റ്റ് 3-digit നമ്പർ വൺസിൻ്റെയും ടെൻസിൻ്റെയും പ്ലേസിലുള്ള നമ്പർ എടുക്കുക. ലാസ്റ്റ് 3-digit നമ്പറിനെ 8 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമെങ്കിൽ ഈസി ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് ആ നമ്പറിനെ 8 വെച്ചിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ. 8. Okay, so we take 72. How many times in 8? 9 times. 9 into 8. 9 8s are 72. Then 8. How many times? 1 time. 188. Okay. It is divisible by 8. Remainder is 0. It is divisible by 8. Yes. Okay. It is divisible by 8. Therefore, 10,728 is divisible by 8. ഈ നമ്പറിനെ 8 വെച്ചിട്ട് ഈസി ആയിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ. റൈറ്റ് ഇറ്റ്. റൈറ്റ്. Then next one is by 9. If the sum of the digit in the number is divisible by 9, the number is divisible by 9. The sum of the digit in the of number is divisible by 9, the number is divisible by 9. തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന നമ്പറിൻ്റെ ടോട്ടൽ 9 വെച്ചിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമെങ്കിൽ ഈസി ആയിട്ട് ആ നമ്പറെ നമുക്ക് 9 വെച്ചിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ഓക്കെ. by 9. For example, 7,389. 7,389. Okay. This is the number. It is divisible by 9. We just say, just check it. 7 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9. We get the answer 27. We get the answer 27. Okay. 27 is divisible by 3. 27 is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3. 3 nines are 27. Okay. 3 nines are 27. It is, this number is divisible by 3. Therefore, 7,389 is divisible by 7,389 is divisible by 4. Okay. Okay. Do you understand this? Test of divisibility of numbers by 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 8 and 9. Okay, good. Then our next topic is highest common factor. Highest common factor. Highest common factor. Okay. OHCF or HCF. Okay. How to find out the HCF? How to find out? Okay. Listen here. Find the HCF of two numbers by listing the factors. Okay, one example for you. Example 1. Find the HCF of 18 and 30. 18 and 30. Find the HCF of 18 and 13. Firstly, we want to find out the factors of 18s. Factors of 18s. Okay, you find out the factors of 18. All of you take your rough note and write. Only rough note. Factors of 18. Factors of 18. Factors of 18s are 1 into 18, 18, 18 into 1, then 1 into 18, then 9 into 2, then next one 3 into 2 into 9, then next one 3 into 6, 3 into 6, so 6 into 3. Okay, this is the factors of 18. 18 എന്ന നമ്പറിനെ കിട്ടാനായിട്ട് ഏതൊക്കെ നമ്പേഴ്സ് നമ്മൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താലാണ് 18 കിട്ടുക? അതാണ് ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ്. 1 into 18, 18. 2 into 9, 9 into 2. 9 2s are 18. 2 9s are 18. 3 6 are 18. 6 3s are 18. Okay. Okay. Then factors of 30. Factors of 30. 1 into 30, Then 30 into 1. Then next one. 2 into 15. 2 into 15. 30 എന്ന നമ്പറിനെ കിട്ടാനായിട്ട് ഏതൊക്കെ നമ്പേഴ്സ് നമ്മൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താലാണ് 30 കിട്ടുക. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ ഈസ് okay 3 into 10 or 10 into 3. Then next one 5 into 6. Then next one okay 6 into 5. Okay, 6 into 5. Then 30 into 1. Okay, here factors of 18. Factors of 18. 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. Factors of 18. Then factors of 30. Factors of 30. Here 1 2 3 5 6 15 and 13. Among these numbers we want to common factors of 3 and 4. Sorry, 30 and 18 and 13. Common factors 1 2 3 6. Common factors 1 2 3 and 6. HCF of 18 and 30. HCF means highest common factor. Highest means biggest number. Biggest number is among this number. Which number is the biggest number? Okay, 6 is the biggest number. Okay, we find out the HCF 18 and 30. We get the answer 6. I will explain one more time. Example 1. Find the HCF of 18 and 13. Factors of 18s 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. Then we find out the factors of 30. 1 2 3 5 6 15 and 13. Then common factors are 1 2 3 and 6. Then HCF of 18 and 30. HCF of 13 and 18. We find the biggest number from here. We want to biggest number. Among these numbers 6 is the biggest number. 6 is the HCF of 18 and 30. Write in your note. Write it. Ready, finished? Okay. Next one. Our next example. Example 2. Example 2. Find the HCF of 24 and 36. 24 and 36. Find the HCF. Okay. 24. factors of solution, factors of 24, factors of 24, 1 into 24, then 1 into 24, 12 into 2, 2 into 12, then 3 into 8, 3 8s are 24, then 4 into 6, 4 into 6, so 6 into 4, then 8 into 3. Okay. This is the factors of 24. 1 into 24 or 24 into 1, 2 into 12 or 12 into 2, 3 into 8 or 8 into 3, 4 into 6 or 6 into 4. Okay. Then factors of 36. We want to find out the factors of 36. Factors of 36 is 1 into 36, then 1 into 36 and 2 into 13, 2 into 13, next 3 into 12, 3 into 12, then 4 into 9, 4 into 9, next one, 6 into 6, 6 into 6 and 9 into 4. Okay. 12 into 2, 18, 12 into 3, 18 into 2, 18 into 2. Okay. Here, then we want to, this is the factors of 36. Then find the factors of 24. Factors of 24. We want to find out factors of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. And factors of 36. Factors of 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12 and 36. Here common factors. Then we find out the common factors. Common factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Among this number, which number is the biggest number? Biggest number is 12. 12 is the HCF. HCF of 24 and 36. HCF of 24 and 36 is 12. 12 is the HCF. Okay. I will explain one more time. We find the HCF of 24 and 36. How to find out factors of 24? Factors of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4. Firstly, we find out the factors of 24 and 36. Then we write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Then factors of 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12 and 36. Then common factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, and HCF of the 24 and 36. Among this number, which number is the biggest number? 12 is the biggest number. We write 12. 12 is the HCF. Okay. Write it. Write it. Write it. Ready, finished? Okay. Then next one, exercise 7.2. In exercise 7.2, so many questions are there. I will explain some 1 or 2 questions remains are your homework. Okay. First one, check the following numbers are divisible by 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Okay. A 9,934. It is check the following numbers are divisible by 2 and 4. 2 കൊണ്ടും 4 കൊണ്ടും divide ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയ numbers ഏതൊക്കെയെന്ന് ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ. ഫസ്റ്റ്ലി 934. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് divisible by 2. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് 934 is right. Take your rough and write. Is divisible by 2 because 4 is in the ones place into 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in the ones place. It is divisible by 2. Then by 4. By it is divisible by 4. Okay. How to find out? Okay. Last two digit number is divisible by 4. Okay. How many times? No. How many times? 34. 34. How many times in 4? 32. 8 times 8 4s are 32. Okay. Balance is 2. Remainder is 2. It is divisible by 4. No, it is not divisible by 4. 4 കൊണ്ട് ഇതിനെ നമുക്ക് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല അല്ലേ? ബിക്കോസ് റിമൈൻഡർ പൂർണ്ണമായിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. ബിക്കോസ് റിമൈൻഡർ ഈസ് 2. റിമൈൻഡർ 2 വന്നു. റിമൈൻഡർ 0 വരണം അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് divisible by 2. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് divisible by only 2. Only 2. Write it. Then B. Sorry, second one. Check if the following numbers are divisible by 5 and 10. 5 കൊണ്ടും 10 കൊണ്ടും ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയ നമ്പേഴ്സ്. ഓക്കെ. ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ B. Second one A. 9,650. It is divisible by 10 and 5. Okay, because in ones place here 0. In ones place in tens, in the case of 10, last digit number is 0. In the case of 5, 0 or 5. Okay, here 0. It is divisible by 5 and 10. It is divisible by 5 and 10. Okay. Right. Okay. Next one. Third one. Third one is what is third one? Check if the following numbers are divisible by 3 and 9. 3 കൊണ്ടും 9 കൊണ്ടും ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയ നമ്പേഴ്സ്. A 9,804 is the number. Okay, 9,804. Okay, then 9,804, 9 plus 8 plus 4, we get the answer 21. Okay, is the answer. 21 is divisible by 3. 21 is divisible by 3. 21 by 3. 7 3s are 21. Okay, it is divisible by 3. Okay, then check the 21 divided by 9. How many times? 18. Okay, it is not divisible by 9. It is not divisible by 9. Only 3. Only 3. Write it. Okay. Then 4th one. Check if the following numbers are divisible by 6. Divisible by 6. Okay. Divisible by 6. It is easily divisible by 6 when the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Okay, it is divisible by 6. Number is fourth one 43,212. Okay. $43,212. Okay, it is divisible by 2. Okay, it is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. And it is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3. Last 3 digit numbers. 2, 1, 2. 2 plus 1. 3. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. 5. It is divisible by 6. No, it is not divisible by 6 because it is not 2,212 is 212 is not divisible by 3. Okay. Sorry, fourth one A. Check the following numbers are divisible by 6. Check the following numbers are divisible by 6. Indivisible by 6. When a number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Both 2 and 3. Okay. A. $43,212. Okay, listen here. Last digit is 2. It is divisible by 2 because in 2, 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in the ones place. It is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. Then check these numbers. Add these numbers 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2. Okay. And we get the answer 12. Okay. 12 divided by 3. Okay. It is okay. It is easily divisible by 3. It is easily divisible by and 3. Okay. Okay. Yes, it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Okay. Yes, it is divisible by 6. Yes, it is 43,212 is divisible by 6. Okay. Dear students, remains on your homework. Dear students, today's topic is over. If you have any doubt in this topic, please ask me. Okay, thank you.